Alright, y'all, let's do a little Simplicity versus Kirby video today. We're going to do Simplicity Symmetry versus my G5. My G5 has not been ran in well over a month or so. First up is the Simplicity Symmetry from December of 2003. It's got a lot of power behind it, but it hasn't been ran for a while either. Be right back. Now the G5 is up. This Kirby's from November of '98. No tech drive pedal. Excuse me. Hey, the tech drive is actually working today. That is awesome. And don't even, what on earth? Alright, y'all, drop a like, comment down below, subscribe for more videos. I'm your host, Captain Namco, saying thanks for watching. We'll see you next time with another Kirby versus another vacuum video. But until then, before I let you guys go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you and have a great day.